Hata hivyo kwa sasa na kupeleka moja kwa moja hadi katika kikao ambacho Seneta Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen anacho hivi sasa. Nadhani nataka kuzungumzia ile hali iliyotokea mapema hii leo wakati ambapo viongozi wa NASA na Jubilee walipozozana.
We are okay.
I hope it's not sabotage. Are we okay, madam? Someone must. Okay, thank you. So, as I said, those are side shows. The things I raised remain weighty issues. The question of one leader resorting to violence, even before a person of my stature, in the presence of live television, that someone can rush to come and interrupt your press conference and start shouting unprintables and start, they must be able to accommodate criticism. I'm not the one who announced yesterday that they were forming a movement, a rebel movement. It was them. It's not me. Yes. And as a responsible citizen, I have to come out and tell Kenyans that we must move the conversation away from that kind of mentality. We came here so that we can update the country on the election process and what was going on. And we stand by our position as Jubilee, as a party that wants to unite this country. I stand fast by what I concluded in the earlier press conference to say that no citizen should give out his life for the sake of another politician. And despite the charade, the public display of pretense of fights, all of us as politicians, whether we're in parliament or outside, are of the same class and have the same relationships. What we only deal with differ, at least according to us in Jubilee, and we believe so, we differ on ideology, manifesto, and principles. And our friends yesterday started a process of engaging on disobedience, fighting the constitution, and so forth. And we are saying that's not the right way to take the country. We called this press conference to update the country and tell them that it is only IEBC that has the constitutional, legal, and technical competence to talk on matters, elections, in terms of what was the turnout, in terms of where were problems in the country. And Mr. Chebukati, after he issued his statement, we wanted also to agree with him that where a group of people have caused violence, then it is necessary for the commission to postpone the elections and for Kenyans to avoid anxiety because we want to keep the country going.
Na ni Seneta Elgeyo Marakwet hapo Kipchumba Murkomen akiwa anatoa maelezo ya yale ambayo alikuwa anataka kuzungumzia kabla ya kuzozana na baadhi ya viongozi wa NASA. Turejelee